Heidi ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here. Welcome to my first unboxing video. I have to apologize for the quality, but you're probably not expecting high quality videos from me anyway, considering I'm not Wrangler Star and I'm not on that level. At any rate, I got a box from North Country Off Grid. And I guess I can try to show that to you. I have it right here. Way back when I won the extra, or the, for lack of a better term, I guess, extra duck race. And Chad has kind of held on to things to give me a few extra goodies. And we're going to see what they are today. I've been waiting for this, and I'm actually pretty excited to open it up. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to try to do this without any edits. If it gets really bad, I will edit, but I'm doing it all on my own, and we'll see what happens as I try to move this camera around, open up the box, look at things, and show them to you. So here we go. Obviously, my stove is not at full temperature here. Maybe I am going to have to do some edits. Okay, I used my trusty Kershaw knife that we saw in the previous EDC video. And we have moss. Looks like we've got a letter, oops, and some goodies. Here we go. Now I've actually got the camera pointing in the right direction so that I can look at the film. I have a letter here. And let's see. It says, "Dear AP, thank you for all your support of our family and our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this package. Sorry it took so long to get you your winnings, but they're more valuable than they were when you won." Smiley face. Let me know what you think about the gifts. Thank you, Chad with Country Off Grid. By the way, I want to say that North Country Off Grid they rock. And I guess I would refer people to them to like, comment, and subscribe to them. But since almost all of my tens of subscribers are, came here from North Country Off Grid or living in the Green Homestead, but probably wouldn't be much help then, would it? Here we go. The plot thickens. Weighty. I think this one hand doesn't work very well, but hey, it just makes the mystery all the more exciting. This is a book. Whoa, it's the Cascadia Fallen book. Pretty cool. I didn't even have to try to win one of these, and I won it anyway. Thank you, Chad and Shelby. There we go. Wow, yeah. This feels, geez. Wow, there may be another book here. Another Cascadia Fallen book. It looks, I've got both of them now. Wow, that is really cool. And our family are readers too, even though I haven't read near as much lately as I used to. But there's also something in here. Whoa. This is not showing up really well, I can tell, because it's backlit because of the horrible lighting I have here in my barn. But this was my prize from winning the one race in the duck race. And, oh, wow. Hey, there, it's actually in focus for a second. Pretty cool. And in the description, I will write the name of who donated this, because it's been so long ago, I can't remember the name of the person that supplied this for the extra duck race. And actually, it seems there was something. No, that was it. I could feel the. Whoa, here we go. Actually, I knew this was coming, because I actually asked Chad to just trade me the silver coin for this flashlight. In my EDC video, you saw the horrible fright flashlight that I carry, which I actually do like, even with all of its inadequacies. But he said he was going to give it to me anyway, in addition to the coin, and here it is. I am really jazzed about this. Thank you, Chad. A single AA battery flashlight. Simple, small, bright, easily fits in the pocket. I will probably do a individual video on this, even though it's probably been done by everybody else. But hey, it's my YouTube channel. I'll do whatever I want. But thank you, Chad. This is great. I have been so looking forward to getting this. Thanks again. Well, here's a slower look at the contents of the box that I got from Chad and Shelby. It's really cool stuff. The 2 Cascadia Fallen books. I haven't gotten to do a whole lot of reading lately, so now I'm going to have to start. But something I didn't notice was what came with it. A sticker. Not if, but when. And a bookmark. But signed by the author. Both of them. Pretty cool. And a closer look at the piece de resistance. Actually, this was all that Chad and Shelby really needed to send me. This was the coin I won from the duck race way back. And there I get another notification. Well, I'm not going to let it ruin this, because I'm going to keep on filming. Anyway, there it is. It's gorgeous. I'm not even sure what to do with it. I mean, I don't want to carry it around in my pocket and lose it. I don't want to shove it away in a drawer someplace. I'm just going to have to think about it someplace where I can see it a lot. Maybe I'll actually put it up here in my shop, where I can gaze upon it lovingly. Anyway, this is really cool, and I thank you again, Chad and Shelby, for this. Final item. This going to be saving a closer look on a video of its own. Thanks again, Chad and Shelby. You guys are the greatest.